Hello guys, welcome to all of you. This is Burjinder Singh Chauhan. Welcome to my YouTube channel PS Sketchcam. Guys, in this tutorial we learn a revolving command in SolidWorks. So without wasting time, we start the tutorial. First we make a sketch on any plane. You can just select the plane and create a sketch which you want to revolve. Okay, we just create a single box, and in this we require a center line. You can make a center line or a axis for revolve according to uh, on the reference by the reference of this line. Okay, now exit sketch and go in the feature and revolving, and it automatically detect the center line. Then okay, if you want to replace it you can delete it, and you can change the, if you want to change then select here. Okay, you can select here center line or a line as a axis for a revolving. Okay, now we select this, you can show the result. Okay, this is our revolving command. Okay, now we add it, double click on this and add it. If you want here, first option is blind. Okay, in this we adjust the angle. Do you want just like a one? I want only for a revolving, only for a 180 degree. You can feed the angle and adjust the angle. Now go on the next step in which we discuss all the points. Okay, you can see that this is our sketch. We make it in on the top plane. If you want to add it, you can easy to add it. Okay, now we go on the revolving command. So exit sketch, sketch revolving. First we select the axis. You can say that the sketch is revolving around the axis. Okay, now first option is a blind. It means you can change the value, adjust the angle, and it creates a revolve. Okay, now the next option is up to a vertex. Vertex means it is a point, specified point. It revolve according to the on the reference of, by the reference of vertex. Okay, now we select a point as a vertex. You can say it is revolve according to the reference of this vertex. Now we delete it and select this point as a vertex point. You can show the change in the revolving. Okay, if you want to merge it, then it will make a single body. Okay, now we check it, you can see it make a single body. You can see, check this is a separate and this is a separate. Okay, if we add it, we delete it. Now we specify the this point. In this case the three body in this model is independently. It means the first, second and third. Okay, now add it again. This is your vertex, and if you want to change the vertex then you can select this any point. Okay, if you want to change the dimension then you can just click here and it dimension direction of revolving is change reverse. Okay, now the next point is up to a surface. It means we select the any face that is revolve from to the surface. So that surface you can you select it. Okay, you can show the result. If you want to change the surface you can delete it. I need to revolve around up to this surface. Okay, you can reverse, change the direction reverse, then you can reverse it. Okay, next option is offset from the surface. It means you can specify the value. First we select the surface. Do you want to revolve to up to this? Okay, now the direction is changed. Here's the value, you can just enter. Okay, and see the result. Okay, if you want to gap is 5. Okay, if you want to change the direction of this offset then you can check here, then the reverse it the offset in the reverse direction. Okay, next option is up to a mid plane. It means it when you will the 90 degree value, it means it follow a mirror. Okay, you can just select axis, you can enter the axis 90, it means 45 degree, and this is a 45 degree. If you want to make an angle, then it take a 90 degree. Total angle is 90 degree. You can measure. If you want to measure, you can measure. Easy to measure it, just here, and you can measure it. Okay, you can show the angle. Okay, now we go on the next option. Okay, if you want to separately one in just like this, I want to revolve up to this plane, this surface, and second option, in the second option you can individually revolve to the surface or anyone. Okay, revolving, here we select the surface and we can select this. Okay, you want to change it, you can easy to change this. Okay, there's other options. In this options, if you have a 2 and more sketches, then you can use it. Okay, now we create a single sketch again in this sketch. Here is a one sketch. Now we create another one. Okay, we can have 2 or 3 sketches on with this sketch and exit it, so that all the sketches revolve around by this map, this revolving command. So if you want anyone you want to skip, then you can just select here. Okay, if you want to skip any, you can just here. Okay, you want to, and the next option is feature scope. It means it make a all is one and auto select, and here is a okay, just auto selected all body and all body, and you can select it. Now you uncheck it. Okay, now select on the reference, we can select it. Okay, we consider it on the next tutorials. So in this tutorial we saw a line, how to select the axis. Second is directions, blend, vertex, surface, offset surface, middle point, and specified point and direction too. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial, so please like, subscribe and press the bell icon button for new video notification. Thank you guys.